Why is Passover not in a specific month? Njenge Christmas.
Oh, because it's known that December. So the Passover, March, April.
Why, so which is which?
Yeah.
Wabethelwa nini lo muntu? Ngo-March noma ngo-April?
So according to you, you want it to be in a specific month.
We are celebrating an event. An event is documented.
Yeah.
Silungu sangiluma. By an event.
Yeah.
Now, it is documented as an event that occurred in a specific generation or era. And if there's such a thing, it needs to be written down as part of history.
But we are not celebrating a day, we are celebrating an event.
An event. Now, here's an event. Umshado wami is an event.
Yeah.
I-birthday yami is an event.
Yeah.
But I can't have a birthday in March, nini ibe ngo-June. Which event am I celebrating?
Interesting.
Was I born ngo-June or ngo-July? Mina ngizalwa njalo. Then you do not know the event of that, the occurrence of that event. So my concern with Easter, noma good, whatever what we call it, is that the idea spiritually is correct, but the hidden agenda. Because the pagans basenza sidumise into esingayazi collectively, and we call it a holiday labakholwe.
Sure.
Yabona? Now just a thought I've forever had. Why is every rest day in the calendar written as a holy day?
Okay.
Why kuyilanga elingcwele?
Holy day.
Although they don't spell it the same,
Yeah.
but the word sounds. Why is it a holy day? Bese bathi it is a day of rest. Yabona? So they needed to make this calendar work for Christians. Hence the terms there were supposed to work for Christians. But how does this come about? Constantine, when the Council of Bishops come together, Constantine has a vision. That's what they say. I don't even believe that story, but it's fine.
Okay.
He has a vision. Constantine, he's a king at that time. He has a vision, and utubona uJesu zakuye uthi hamba empini yonqoba. Constantine by birth, and everyone in Rome at that time, ukhonza the pagans, the pagan god. Constantine calls everybody bayahamba bayempini bayanqoba. Makabuya uthi hayi mina sengisindisiwe. Lo Jesu ze kimi. Wafika wathi ngempini ngiyolwa ngizonqoba ngalwa ngayonqoba. Wabiza bonke abobishop. They say there were 12 in total of all these religions, pagans, Judaizers, all of them, they came in one place. Wathi asicompileni incwadi A1 ezogavena wonke umuntu under Christianity. Yabona? That's where the question of the authenticity of scripture comes from. But asingeni lapho ngoba wayivala kahle uConstantine ukuthi akungabi khona okhiphayo no edayo ngoba amazwi wami nguNkulunkulu. Mase isho njalo ke thina abazalwane we move away. We can't question the authenticity of this book because uNkulunkulu uqobo lwakhe encwadini uthi don't question this. Angazi noma yayizinqondo yami.
No, I get you.
This is where it becomes a bit complicated because you can't preach this in a church. Bazalwane bazolahleka. We need to drive a narrative yokuthi it's all in the word because John 1:1 uthi in the beginning was the word was with God and. But masoyifunda ngesiGreek it moves away from the idea yokuthi uNkulunkulu ulizwe, it is the word, it is God, and it's three people at once.
Yeah.
It means uNkulunkulu nesiqu sakaNkulunkulu in one person. He was with himself and he was with him. Oh, Jesu. Please don't come for me. Ngiyanazi nina. Wakhuza amaskola wakho. Jesu, wakhuza amaskola wakho. I see in your comments.
Yeah.
Unamaskola phela wena. Hayi, unabafundisi abafundile. Guys, don't come for me. I'm not a scholar. Siyayixoxela nje.
Yeah.